Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Immersive Reader in OneNote, in Word, and on Microsoft Forms. So the Immersive Reader will help you by reading out loud any text that's on your screen. And the way that you do this in OneNote is you'd open your notebook and go to View, and then click on Immersive Reader. Once it opens, you'll get a play button at the bottom. I'm going to skip these tips. Okay, and when I press play, you can hear that it reads to me. There are a few options up in the top right. The first are text preferences, so you can change the size of the text, the font, and the spacing, and you can even change the contrast. On the next section are some grammar tools, and you can toggle those on and off. And then finally, on the last section, you can change the line focus into just targeting 3 lines at a time of text, or a single line at a time, where you can turn that off and see the whole text. You can also add or look at a picture of the word by clicking on the word with your picture dictionary turned on, and there are some translation tools. So once I'm finished listening, I just head back. Okay, we'll look at Word. In Word, it's pretty much the same. This is my desktop version of Word, so it looks a little bit different, but to get to Immersive Reader, I click on View, and then you may just click Immersive Reader. For me, I have to click on Learning Tools and then say Read Aloud. Okay, and then the final one is Forms. So if your teacher sends you a Microsoft form and you need to have the questions read out loud to you, you'll see in the form next to the text, a little Immersive Reader icon will pop up when you put your cursor there, and you can click on that and listen to the question. And that's how you use Immersive Reader in OneNote, Word, and Forms.